Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me and everyone is able to see my screen. If possible, can someone please confirm if you are able to hear me clearly and able to see my screen?
Yeah. Yes, sir, we can.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know. Still, people are not joined yet. Okay, but I want to continue. So yesterday, guys, we have an issues on starting of the server, but after I close it and I started it, I think nothing have done the change here. Whatever the change I have done yesterday here, right? Something like this is the dependency we added, resiliency 4J dependency. It internally acts as a circuit breaker itself. Okay. So that's it. After that, there is no other change I have done. And unluckily, yesterday we were not able to execute that. And today we are going to execute this code. Okay. So I'm running the code here. Also my gateway. So gateway is started, guys. So if you see here, localhost colon 8761. You saw here, gateway is registered, right? Okay, right. Nothing is, I have not done any change actually. Somehow it's a cache, it will refer. So that's why it is having, okay. After that, I'm starting my config server. So config server is also registered. You saw here, config server is registered, gateway is registered. Okay. One second. Yeah. So both config server is done, gateway is done, and we are going to start. Next one is payment service. So this is a payment service where I will capture the H2 database here. So this is H2 database, right? This is a URL for H2 database and which is running on port number 9191, right? So localhost colon 9191 H2 console. Sorry, 9191. Okay. So you saw here, guys, a payment table is there. Select a star from payment underscore TB. So, I mean, it's good. So everything is set, right? Payment service is started, gateway service is started, config server is started. Now my last thing is about order service. Last thing is about order service. So order service is also up. So this is my order service. Where localhost 9192/h2 console. Yeah, it is connecting. 1 second. So this is order service. This is order service. Give me 1 second, guys. Second, guys. So order table. This is order table, and there's a payment table. So this is a payment table, and this is order table. So we are good. Everything is good, right, sir? As of now, clear, right? Now let me hit my actual API when everything is good. So when I have, you saw here, config server is up, gateway server is up, order service is up, payment service is up. Everything is up. Okay. So config server is up, gateway server is up, order server is up, and payment server, everything is up. So by default, something we are good here, right? Okay, I'll hit a request. Give me one. So where we are hitting this data. So if you see here, this is a body. Order number is 110. Somehow I'm hitting. So which is success. You saw it's success, right? By default, it is success. Okay. Now we'll see the data here. So you saw here, right? order number is 110, which is success. And here also, which is success, right? Everything is success. Order is success as well as payment is success. Both are success, right? Payment is success as well as order is success. Both are success here. Now we will introduce a circuit breaker. Okay. What I'll do, sir, as I wrote at gateway level, okay, where I wrote a payment service is down. That's what I wrote, right? Payment service is down, is taking it's taking two down, something like that, right? Okay. So by default, payment service is down. What I'm doing today is I'm stopping my payment service, guys, here. I'm stopping my payment service here. Okay, this is my payment service. I'm stopping this guy. Explicitly, I'm stopping the payment service, guys. Explicitly, I'm stopping the payment service. Okay. Now you see here, payment service is not there here. Config server, gateway server, as well as order server. So my completely payment service is not here. Right? Correct, right, sir? So far, payment service is down. Now it is going to, whenever I hit, right, guys? Let me take 111. Let me take 111. Okay. When I hit it, you saw that internal server error, where you saw that, right? Order service is down. Okay. So here you saw here, order server is down here typically, and you'll see error here. You'll see error. So you saw here no instances by payment service. Okay. Now let me start my payment service here. Okay. Because you saw, right, no instances available for payment service. Now I'm starting payment service. It will take. Yeah. So this is the issue. This is the point, guys, where I'm typically stopping my order service. This is typically starting my order service here. So I'm starting my order service here. And whenever I hit, it is typically gone. Order service is gone, right? Whenever I hit, order service is gone. It is not there. Now let me hit it, guys. You saw, guys, order service is taking too long to respond. This is a fallback control we wrote, right, guys? So this is a fallback controller we wrote here. Order service is taking too long to respond because order service is down. automatically. You saw here, order service is taking too long to respond. Okay. So this is the fallback API, which is going to take care here. Okay. Clear, right? You saw here, this is a fallback API, which is going to call here once again. This is the thing where order service is taking too long to respond. So this is the API which we got it, guys. Okay. Yeah. So this is now I started my order service here. I'm stopping my order service here. Again, I'm starting my order service. Okay. Now this is, it is registered. Okay. Now you say here, it is success. Now you're able to see that, right? It is making a call. Maybe it is, but it is making a call here. So this is the where we are triggering here the API. Okay. So this is the area where we are getting a triggering API, which is taking care of that. So where we stopped it, we started it, and we are good here. Right? This is the case where with respect to circuit breaker is concerned. Any questions here, guys, so far, as of now?
Sir, when we stopped the payment service, why did we got internet server error?
Because my order service is calling payment service, right? I'm not individually calling, right? I'm not individually calling the payment service, right, sir?
No, we should
Okay.
get payment services taking too long.
Correct. No, 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 no. Now you saw here, it is going to call this, right? If I'm explicitly calling, now till here it is going to call. After that, it is going to give a exception block, right? Internal server. If I explicitly call payment service, you'll get it actually. This is calling, order service is calling, which is giving internal server error. That is the point here.
Okay.
Understand? Yeah.
Okay. Sir, from here, why can't we call service register from there? Can we do that?
By default, sir, I am calling payment service. I mean, I am calling template.post object. I am calling the payment service itself. Explicitly, I am calling. But here it is getting a try. Individually, I am calling that, right? So that's the point here.
Can we call API gateway here?
Any call goes to API gateway only, sir. What is my microservice.payment service.endpoints URL?
This is payment service URL.
No, no. Here, my intention was, see here. This is my payment service. So you see here,